Hi guys, so I'm about to unbox my October Boxy Charm box for you. You are going to see this look in 3 or 4 different videos because I'm kind of batch filming these unboxings, and I actually did this look as well. So just look down if you want to find out how I got this look. But since I was already ready and it is the weekend and that's the only time I have to film, I decided to film these for you guys. Alright, so let's get right into the Boxy Charm so I'm not wasting everybody's time for this video. Alright, so this month's box is called, what is it called for the month of October? Boxy Charm. It does not have a title, it looks like. So it just basically gives you information on the inside of what you have. It doesn't have pictures. It's very different from what it normally is, and it does give you information on the new Boxy Premium box, which I should be getting next month. I'm excited to give that one a try too, so I'm going to do a comparison on those boxes as well for you guys. Right, let's get right into this box so we can see what we got in the month of October. So first off, we've got a Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. It looks like this is a $32 value. Let's see which one I got here. I haven't tried any of Dose of Colors actual shadows at all. I've tried their lipsticks and I love them, and everybody that has Dose of Colors eyeshadows say that they are really, really pretty, so I'm excited to give it a try. I've got the box or the color in the browns, so I was hoping that I would have gotten a one of like the pink ones or the orange box, but I ended up getting the browns. So here is what it looks like, and here's what it looks like in the inside here. So you get a brush, which is always handy, and then you get all the browns. So this is very, very neutral, something that you can use every single day. Something that I probably will try to use it just because I've never used any of Dose of Colors eyeshadows, and I want to know what the texture is like and how the lasting power is. But if it was something that I've tried before from the brand, I would probably pass it on. But since I haven't tried anything from Dose of Colors as far as their eyeshadows go, I'm gonna go ahead and keep that one. Alright, the next thing I got is from Touch of Soul, and it is a Pretty Filter Glossy Skin Balm. This is something that I did choose to get, which is really nice. If you don't know, that you can go online before they send out your packages now, and you can choose different products. So this is one that I did choose to get. Let's see what this is. It's just a balm. So it looks like this. It's just a cream. I'm excited to give that a try. I like to use different kind of primers, so this is one that I'll definitely give a try and see, especially in the winter months. My face gets super dry, so hopefully this won't mess with my foundation, but will actually keep my face in check for the winter. That is a $32 value, so that's another $32 value product that came in this pack for the month of October. The next thing is an Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss, a $26 value. So this is what that looks like. It's a very light gloss, so it's just going to be a topper, something to go on top of other glosses. I'm not going to open it because I've got some other glosses open now, and I don't want to open it and start the process of it going bad. But this is something that I'm excited to get, especially over dark lipsticks like this. When you want gloss, this works really nice, and hopefully this is a nice product that will plump and make shiny but not be too sticky. Alright, the next thing I have in the box is from Paulas Choice. I love Paulas Choice. This is the Skin 2% BAH Liquid Exfoliant. This stuff is amazing. I already have it and I've used it. It's great. So I'm excited to get another one. This is a $29.50 value. This stuff is really, really good. I'm excited to get this. I love Paulas Choice, and I'm excited that BoxyCharm is now getting Paulas Choice products in our boxes. It's a great, great product, and if you haven't used anything from Paulas Choice, I highly encourage you to go over to Paulas Choice's website and see what they have. They have a variety of different products that work for everybody's skin, and let me tell you, when they say they work, they absolutely work. So I'm super excited to get this in our box this month. All right, the last thing I have in the box is from Dante Blue Lip Liner Pencil. It is a $5 pencil, and it is in the color, it looks like red. It doesn't have an actual color on there, so it's just a red, and it's very red. That is a very red lip liner. So that would go really nice with a lipstick that I got in one of my other boxes, I think. So I'm excited to give this a try and see how that works. In the past, I haven't really liked Dante Blue's eyeliners, but the lip liners seem to be really well. So I'll go ahead and put all the information down in the description for BoxyCharm if you're interested, and then make sure that you check out their new premium box, which is $39. Remember that BoxyCharm for the month of November next month is going to $25 a month instead of $21. So if you didn't know that, be aware of that. If you didn't pre-order for the whole year, you will now be paying $25 a month for BoxyCharm. And then the premium box is $35. So if you get both of them, you'll be paying $60 a month for the boxes. But they did say on BoxyCharm's website that both boxes will have different items in them, so you don't have to worry about getting duplicate items in either of the boxes for the month. All right, and I ended up getting box number 24. I'll put all the information here to let you know how much my box added up for the month. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you have any questions. As always, BoxyCharm information is down in the description if you want to order, and I will talk to you guys sometime next week.